What's your physical goal? Probably to lose my stomach, and to get a bigger butt. Since nobody is saying anything when I say should I do both, I'm gonna just do both. I'm gonna slide the pink one down because I think that makes more sense. This one up here, I think. I think that looks cool. Especially. Or should I just take the pink one off? Guys, does the pink match the purple, do we think? I'm from France, by the way. Damn, you're in France? Pink is better. Guys, pick. I'm just really good like this, I think. Because I don't know. I'll have to call my boyfriend and be like, which one do you like better? You know he's at work, I don't wanna. My favorite color is pink. Guys, should I just go with the regular one? I don't know. I think it looks cool with both, but I think because my shirt is purple, it doesn't work as well. I wish I saw a really cool purple one once and was like, I don't know why I didn't buy it. Okay, there, fine. Do it like this. I think this does look better. See, girl. Go back it up. I need more accessories, though. So... Are you Bumbleclaw? What? All my hair clips are in my car, I think. All my fun ones are in the car. I do have this purple star I could wear. Put it in my hair. Purple star. Okay. Now... Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, wait, guys, I have fake lashes. Guys, I found some fake lashes. Guys. OMG, guys. Okay, we're gonna, like, up this look now. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. I found fake lashes. Not a big fan. Guys, I promise you fake lashes will look good. I promise. It'll look more seen.